I think it's going to be very exciting for Arjun and me, considering we've also started off our careers at some point, and we've been to acting school. And I think the contestants here today are very, very lucky and fortunate that today they have a platform like this to showcase their talent. We didn't have this.
एक अच्छी opportunity मिली है for people to showcase their talent in front of the country. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ हम देख रहे हैं, सिर्फ जजेस देख रहे हैं. हिंदुस्तान की आवाम देख पाएगी. And they should make the most of it because you never know who's watching and who might pick them up. They get to learn so much, they get to become better. हम तो करते करते सीखे.
सेंसर बोर्ड ने आपका जो डायलॉग है फिल्म में द वर्जिन उसे हटाने का ऑर्डर दिया है. सो डू यू थिंक इट्स लॉजिकल सेंसर बोर्ड को इतना स्ट्रिक्ट होना चाहिए? बिकॉज ये डायलॉग आई डोंट थिंक मतलब इनफैक्ट किसी को भी नहीं लगता कि इतना ज़्यादा मतलब अगर सेंसर बोर्ड के हिसाब से देखा जाए इतना कुछ वल्गर है तो.
Absolutely not. I don't think their request is valid. And I believe that there's no system to this. I think every 6 months the rules keep changing. What we are allowed to do, what we are not allowed to do. There's no consistency to what is being said or what is being done. And I think you also have to see it in context to the scene, to the film and the larger scheme of things. You can't just pick out one word and say, oh, we're not allowing this word. Secondly, give us a reasoning. Why are you not allowing us to say certain things in a movie or to not show certain things in a movie? Reason with us and we're more than happy to accept what you're saying. Having said that, I mean, I guess they are the final authority, and whatever they say, we're ready to abide by that.
No, if our people and the audience that does not feel a certain way, they're doing their censorship for an audience. If they realize our audience is ready, I hope they change their minds later so we can make films that can speak for the audience. Eventually, if you're a part of the audience and you're saying we don't find it vulgar or derogatory, then I hope they realize that in the long run they don't have a myopic view towards it and they see the broader spectrum that we are making films for an audience. It's not that हमको कुछ मजा आता है बोलने में. It is something that's important in the context of the film. In her character's context is very important what she says. So I hope they realize it in the future and they give us a consistent platform of rules to deal with, so we know where we are heading before we face the censors.
In fact, there are certain scenes which they have asked to tone it down.
No, not scenes. There are certain shots of it's. देखिए scenes होता है मतलब पूरे scene को काट देना, तो scenes गलत होगा. There are some cuts within the scene that they've demanded, जो हर पिक्चर में होता है. हर फिल्म के सेंसर में कहीं ना कहीं छोटे मोटे कट्स आते हैं. So that's not a big deal, but if we know where we are heading in terms of the rules, then maybe we can make sure it doesn't happen again. It's unfortunate.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.